Today we shall discuss the chapter surface area volume for class 10. Already we learned the formula to find the surface area and volume. Again let us see, for cuboid, if the length is A unit, breadth B unit and the height C unit, then the lateral surface area, that is perimeter of the base into height 2 into A plus B into C unit square, total surface area 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height unit square, that is 2 into AB plus BC plus AC unit square, and the volume length into breadth into height, that is ABC unit cube. For cube, in case of cube, all the length, breadth and height all are equal. So the lateral surface area will be 4A square unit square. Total surface area it will be 6A square unit square, and the volume A into A into A, that is A cube unit cube. Now for cylinder, if the radius of the base of this cylinder is R unit and the height is H unit, then the lateral surface area will be circumference of this base into height, that is 2 pi r h unit square. Total surface area, this lateral surface area plus area of this two circular part, that is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h, that is 2 pi r into r plus h unit square, and the volume, that is area of this base into height pi r square h unit cube. Now cone. In case of cone, if the radius is r unit and the height is h unit, then this slant height will be L, that is equal to root over of r square plus h square, as this angle is 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, for this triangle we can say L equal to root over of r square plus h square unit. Then what is the lateral surface area or curved surface area in this cone? That is pi r L unit square. Total surface area, this curved surface area plus this circular base, that is pi r L plus pi r square. So we can write pi r into r plus L unit square, and the volume of this cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Volume of a sphere and surface area of a sphere. Sphere means it looks like a ball. If the radius is r unit, then there is only one surface. So the surface area is 4 pi r square unit square, and volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube unit cube. And for hemisphere, the curved surface area, that is 2 pi r square, half of the surface area of sphere. Total surface area, this curved surface area plus this circular base, that is 3 pi r square unit square, and the volume will be 2 by 3 pi r cube unit cube. Now first term of a cone. You see the top of this cone is cutted here. So if this radius at the base is r1 unit and radius at the top is r2 unit, height h unit and this slant height L unit, then this slant height L will be root over of L square plus r1 minus r2 whole square unit. Curved surface area, that is pi r1 plus r2 into L unit square. Total surface area, that is curved surface area plus this area of this base and the area of the top, that is pi r1 plus r2 into L plus pi r1 square plus pi r2 square unit square, and the volume will be 1/3 pi r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2 into h unit cube.